So you got a couple inches probably for the pillow above you. Now just barely. Better not point your toes. What do you think, Bella? Alright, here is our temporary setup for just this trip. Doug's waiting to put the bike rack on because once he does, we can't get at the back, which really stinks. I'm sure pretty quickly we're going to realize we need one of those swing away arms. I just hung the little laundry bag here. This is going to my daughter, and so is this box. So that's just gear and clothing that I don't need for the couple days that we take the drive up. We got one of those membranes underneath the mattress to keep it circulated. We just have this ottoman which we can actually sit on. It's going to have some food in it, and it has a coffee pot and blender in it. Bella's car seat, emergency toilet, and that's just everything for the toilet, like toilet paper, black bags, and some cat litter and trash bag and everything. I'm bringing our full-size vacuum because it's just too hard to sweep, so I'm just going to bring that for now. This is Bella's bed for her little cot for outside, and then her bed for inside or outside. Fridge, we just have this blanket on it, so we can actually, it makes it comfortable to sit on, plus it insulates it a little bit. Then we had this piece of wood. We had this piece of wood and plastic drawers. So I have all of our kitchen stuff in here. This miscellaneous kitchen stuff. And there is our induction cooktop, which we'll put on the floor, and this board will go on the floor too when we're driving, because it's not really fastened down or anything. And we have our hygiene items over here, and the thermocell. And then in this side, behind the fridge, this shelf, we just have some spices and miscellaneous things, food. My lap desk and Bella's backpack, just some random stuff, Doug's clothes. We need this stool to get up in the bed. I'm going to bring that fan because I can't plug in any 12-volt fan because the 12-volt port is actually an aviator plug, which I didn't realize. The only 12-volt socket is 24 volts, so we can't use it. Some towels down there and some of my books down here. Got a dish pan. Oh, and there's a nice comfy bed. And we just stuck the van manuals up there, so just I think this shall do. I just put this cargo net in from the Prius just to hold the window covers and my clothes for a couple days because we can't get into the back, so I had to have a couple days of clothes up here. So did Doug. So thank God we thought of that before we put the bikes on. That's just normal. Here's a view from the front. Doug wanted to get the swivel seat in for the passenger seat before we left, but we just ran out of time. He had to work for a few hours today, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Vermont.